What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick little video here. It's called 30 seconds spray and walk away, cuz. Alright, we got everything from moss, mold, and algae. Alright, kills it all. You could either do this roofs, composite shingles, asphalt, sealed brickwork, pathways, and driveways. Alright? So let's get to it. I'll show you how you put this on really quick, and we're going to check the progress in a few days, and we'll see what we did before and after and see if this stuff really helps. Yo, Sonny! Comes out like soap suds, bubbles. So you want to just drench the roof. Start from the top. You want to get it nice job. Take your time. Remember, work your way away from it because it's slippery. Let it run down a little bit because I can't reach. The pitch is a little too steep. Let it run over all that moss. Alright, and we'll start over here. Let it run down. Do the peak. So you get the point. So I'm going to go over the whole roof. You can see some of that brown stuff is just literally starting to do a little close-up. It's literally starting to eat it away. You can actually see it working while I'm up here. They say in the thicker areas, just give it a little bit more. You can see all this stuff just draining down to the gutters. So we're gonna finish up. Like I said, soak and drench your roof. Might as well use the whole bottle. There's no need to save it. You won't be able to do the whole thing all over again. Shake it up a little bit. Let's get the soap. You'll see the soap coming out. All right. We're gonna let this sit for a couple days, wait for the rain, and then I'll come back up and we'll inspect it and see if this stuff really works. I'll take a little bit of before right now with all the moss and all the crap, and we'll come up and check this in about a week or so. A lot of it broke up, and you can't see it that well on camera, but a lot of it broke up and started to come down into the gutter. Check the gutters while you're up here. Oh, they're pretty clean. Alright. Alright, this is a shot from the ground. So you can see a lot of it came down by itself. You know, the first spray. If you're wondering why those shingles are a little off, had a leak, had to patch it up a few years ago. But other than that, we're going to keep an eye on it. Let's go check the other part where it's really mossy. This is the part where I get most of the moss in this back corner. And you can see the chemical started to break it down already. I think it's going to come out nice. Alright, so we'll check in a few days and see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Alright, well this is day 2. Hasn't rained yet. You can see some streaks. Again, that's that new patch I had to put in, so that's why it's off over there. But see some of that moss on the corner. Yeah, definitely the streaking. So we'll see what happens when it rains. See if it improves. All right, well, it's been about 2 weeks and it's rained a few times. And I'll tell you what, it's looking pretty good. You look up there, most of that thick moss is gone. I was riding up the side of that roof. And they say it even gets better with time. Might take a few months for it to totally clean up, but from the looks of it, it looks great. So yeah, I'm gonna recommend this product. If you have stains in your roof or if you have moss growing, pick up some of that stuff, spray it on, and yeah, it does work. So we'll catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? Sonny! There you go, pal. What are you doing, son?
Yeah, Sonny.